Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the MCQ type question in the chapter sector of the Indian economy in the economics. The first question, the dash sector comprise of activity that undertaken by directly using natural resources. The options are primary, secondary, tertiary and none of these. मीच ऐसा कौन सा सेक्टर जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ एक्टिविटी जो अंडरटेकन डायरेक्टली यूजिंग द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज होता है उस सेक्टर में. द राइट आंसर इज प्राइमरी सेक्टर. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, डैश सेक्टर कवर द एक्टिविटी इन विच रॉ मटेरियल्स इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द फिनिश गुड्स. मीन्स ऑप्शंस आर प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्टियरी एंड नन ऑफ दिस. The question means the activities which convert the raw material into the finished goods. ऐसा कौन सा सेक्टर जिसमें रॉ मटेरियल फिनिश गुड्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. द राइट आंसर इज सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. द थर्ड, विच सेक्टर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एग्रीकल्चर एंड एलियड सेक्टर. The options are primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector and none of these. Means as which sector, ऐसा कौन सा सेक्टर है जो एग्रीकल्चर also called the agriculture sector, that is primary sector, because primary sector in their actual agriculture activities also have to be followed. The next example of the tertiary sector, the options are A, cultivation of cotton, B, productions of cotton textile, making sugar from sugarcane, D, banking. The right answer is banking, because in this the service is provided. Now question number 5th, at initial stage of development, dash sector is all at most importance. The primary, secondary, tertiary and both A and B. The right answer is primary. Next, production is secondary sector has increased the more than dash time over the years. The right answer is 9 times over the year. Question number 7, productions of the community mostly through the natural process is the activity of which sector. The right answer is primary sector. The which sector of economy is the largest employer. Means the industrial sector, agriculture sector, service sector, none of these, that is a service sector. ठीक है. एनिमल हस्बेंड्री इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्राइमरी सेक्टर, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, टर्टियरी सेक्टर, नन ऑफ दिस, दैट इज प्राइमरी सेक्टर. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द टर्टियरी सेक्टर. दैट इज अ बैंकिंग, ट्रांसपोर्ट, ट्रेड, फॉरेस्ट्री और डी. ऑप्शन डी, फॉरेस्ट्री. द राइट आंसर इज forestry, the option D. Next question, which among the following activities is not related to the primary sector. Options are fishing, natural gas extractions, making of sugar, mining. The right answer is making of sugar. Next question, ATM is the example of which sector. Primary, secondary, tertiary, organized sector. The right answer is tertiary sector. Next question, which among the following workers are not very productive in tertiary sector. The options are educated and trained professional, repair person and daily wages earns peoples in defense service. Next, people working in health center, hospital. The right answer is repair person and daily wages earner. Now question number 14, all economic activity that directly involved in conversion of natural resources classify under the secondary sector. Primary options are secondary, primary, tertiary and government sector. The right answer is primary sector. Thank you.